All right. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi.
Waalaikumsalam.
It's a pleasure to be with you, everyone, dear doctors, students, and brothers and sisters. It's our pleasure to be here in this online seminar or online lecture, which will be given by Mr. Khaled Langsari. And without losing much of time, I just would like to introduce our speaker, Brother Khalid, and then we will start after that directly. So, after Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So, our topic today is going to be data science, future challenges and trends. And the topic or the discussion will be given by Mr. Khaled Langsari, who are specialized in of course, in IT and computing field. He is a data science lecturer in FATONI University, an AI ML engineer, and software architect. He has done his master degree in Indonesia in the field of informatic engineering. You can, of course, follow him and find information more about him in GitHub, YouTube, and other social media platforms. And I do believe that you will learn a lot and gain a lot of benefits of doing so. All right, so just prepare your questions and let's start. Brother Khalid, Bismillah.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Okay, can you see my slide presentation? Yeah, can you see my slide presentation? Hope so.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, welcome lecturers of FATONI University and West, and then all students. Okay, I will welcome. My name is Khaled Langsari. Okay. Today I would like to sharing with you. Okay, actually just share, and we are discussing that to improve to share some knowledge. Okay, and the topic for today I would like to share is about challenges and trend of data science. Okay, we want to see that what going on the data science. It's not about just only data science, it's including machine learning and AI. Okay, we want to know that what going to be for the future, current, and the past. What then we can prepare ourselves, our student, to be more what we call adaptable, and then learning new things to prepare themselves for to getting new knowledge and to get a job and so on. Okay. And today topics we will include two parts. Okay, the first is introducing to data science, and the second is trend and challenges of data science, machine learning, and AI. Okay, may I introduce the data science? Okay, what is really data science? As we know that we research about data science, we can see this diagram. Okay, we call Venn diagram. Data science is combination of multiple what we call science, okay, or discipline. It's kind of multiple disciplinaries. Okay, so a combination of mathematics, statistics, and computer science and domain expert to become a data science. So data science is not pure science. It is application and what we call measure from another science, okay, to become a data science. Okay, another diagram from ISDB. Okay, it define a data science. Okay, yeah, if we look at here, it's same concept, is still the same concept. It's about domain expertise. Okay, what we try to use, what the field that we want going to use, or we want to what we call expert data science, and statistic and engineering skill, especially computer skill, and data science at the middle. Okay, this is a kind of data science. Okay, and we have another we call data science of hierarchy of need. We want to spread between the data science, machine learning, and AI. This is the things. Okay, we have 5 layers, okay, of data science hierarchy of need. I can separate it to be like this. We are at the lower level collection is we call software developer. If you learn about IT or software engineering, this is the part of software developer to create an app. We actually add data science and machine learning and AI. So we use that data from sensor log, from the external data, social media data, and so on. That's especially from developer. Okay, developer create an app, then the app will generate a data. Okay, then we can use that data for to analyze and so on. After that level, we have the data engineer. Okay, and data engineer will retrieve the data, explore, and move the data from the software to store in some place. Because it can be database, it can be data lake, it can be data warehouse, and so on. There is the what we call the responsible for data engineer, and the most as data science department and as data science and analytic department. So we are responsible for data scientist analysts. This is the overall part. What we do, we learn, we optimize, we aggregate, and we add label. Actually, data science, we create a model as we know, okay? But right now, we cannot say that, okay? But the main route, the main responsible for data scientists is to create a model. For example, we create A/B testing, experiment, simple machine learning algorithm, analytic segmentation, and so on, clustering. This is the main part, the main job of data scientists. But today, it's not like that. It's become data science, become full stack data science, we call. Mean that one single data science, they have to do many things. Okay, so if they don't do, we have to find another member to do some that part. Okay, and the peak of this figure is AI deep learning. Okay, we call research scientist, called data science, and machine learning engineer or AI engineer. This is a part that we can divide into 4 layers. Okay, then from this one we can know that who responsible which part, and then where this data come from, and then what job they for each part try to do. Okay, for our part for the scientist is here. Okay, as I highlight here. Okay, we do some creating model, especially we are creating model, find the best, accurate, and more reliable and valuable model. Okay. So data science is not one single skill or roles. We do many things in what data science. Okay, it depends. Okay, if you look at here, they are collab with we are overlap with another region or another field as big data engineer and software engineer. Okay, because data science, we need to write some code, so we need to know about Python, C, R, and so on. Okay, so SQL and so on for big data, especially because data science working with data. Okay, right now we cannot reject the word of big data. It's become our fundamental thing that we need to use to analyze the data. Okay, and data engineer, of course, we are data engineer. The data science life will be more difficult because data science, as we know, that it tries to create a new model, the accurate model. So to handle the with data, actually we are passed to the data engineer to do that. Okay, because it can do more better, especially ETL, extract, transform, load job. Okay. And if we try to see the overall right now, we have the common shared knowledge of our discipline. You can see that the big picture is AI, artificial intelligence. A small part is inside AI, we have machine learning. In machine learning, we have deep learning. Right now, we are talking a lot about LLM. Okay, it's that used to create ChatGPT and Gemini and so on. It's inside deep learning. Okay, so all AI, machine learning, and deep learning, they are using big data. Also, data science, they are using artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and big data. Okay, this is a kind of sharing knowledge between different disciplines. Okay. Okay, so we can say that data science is interdisciplinary field that use scientific method, process, algorithm, system to extract knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. This is a summarization from me, from several resources. I try to summarize a bit like this. And the more shortest data scientist is science that study how to obtain knowledge and insight from data, okay, by me, okay. This is a sentence that we collect from hundreds of resources, okay. So what actually data scientists do, okay? Actually, data scientists try to manage the end-to-end data process in the data life cycle, okay? As data scientists, they have to manage where is data come from, how to do with data, and then what we need to get the data, what we need to get the result from the data from the business need perspective, okay? So what the data science lifecycle is a set of process in navigation, transform raw data into actionable knowledge or insight, okay? If we try to see a process, we can say that this is FST-M, okay, post-industrial data for data mining. Actually, the famous process for industrial and academic, okay? We have 6 processes, okay? Business understanding, data preparation, model evaluation, and deployment. This is one stable process from the we call open source process, okay? Even we have new process from Microsoft, we call TDSP. That's modern than this, but this one I try to use this one, okay? So you look at here, we as a data science, we are not just only working with data, but we have to understand the purpose of why we need to do this data project, okay? Including we try to understand the data and then try to develop the model and then try to make the model more accurate and we deploy as whatever product, okay? Such as website or app and so on, okay? Now, can you hear me, brothers and sisters? Okay, can you send me like and or heart and so on that I can see that you're okay over there? Okay, thank you. Okay, may I continue? Okay, why data science? Okay, we have just for data science, we do only 4 things. Mainly, we do only 4 things. Okay, the first is insight. We try to find insight. The second is predict, and then the third is knowledge insight from data. The last one is analytics strategy. Okay, this is the 4 main data science job. Okay. As I want to display more about analytics. Okay. You see that the bold one, I say that the discovery of meaningful pattern in the data, okay, or value. The thing is, we do data science. We want to find some meaningful patterns or trend or what we call insight from the data. Okay, another name we call value. Okay, that can be served to academic way, a medical way, or business way, and so on, whatever. Okay, this is analytic. So in terms of analytic ascendancy model level, so we can see that we are 4 part. Okay, we have 4 level. Okay, the descriptive. Okay, we know what happened, why it happened, what will be happen, and then how can we make it happen. This is 4 level, standard level. If we try to do something, summarize, me, standard, we do describe. Okay, if you want to know what happened, we can do diagnostic. Okay, predictive is just know what will happen for tomorrow. If you want, for example, that forecasting for the weather for tomorrow is predictive analytic level. Okay, if you want to know that even it happened heavy raining for tomorrow, but we want to know that this if we have it will be
is the important.
Can you hear me? Okay. For prescriptive is something that for example, for weather, what we call raining. So we can see that it can be good or not for weather for tomorrow. Okay, something like this is a kind of 4 level. Okay, if you can do. Actually, we are talking about predictive a lot. Okay, we are learn basic statistics. We are talking about descriptive, some mean, standard deviation, and so on. This is about this descriptive. Okay, if you can do up to prescriptive analytics, will be nice for you. Okay, this will be more foresight. Okay, not just only insight. Okay, if you see here, insight is at the middle. Okay, foresight is a optimized one. Okay. What you want to do, what kind of project or some example from the data science application? You can see here, we can do stuff, cryptocurrency price prediction. Okay, you want to do cryptocurrency price prediction. So you have use a lot of data science knowledge. Okay, A/B testing. You want to know which option of advertising is good. Can use A/B testing. Chatbot that you are seeing right now as ChatGPT is a part of data science. Okay, credit card fraud detection you have to use data science knowledge. Fake news detection is also one project that can done by the science. Weather prediction, we know that for tomorrow, weather today, weather and yesterday, weather and 5 days, incoming 5 days, what will be the weather for, and so on. This is a kind of prediction. It's a part of data science. Okay. Forest fire prediction. Okay, and then we classify cancer. Okay, it's about hospital medical part. We can do by using machine learning to identify the picture from scanner. Okay, thermal scan. Then we can identify cancer. It's a part we can do by using the science knowledge. Okay, recommendation system that we purchase the product from the what we call shopping app, whatever shopping app, and then they try to what we call add you more. Okay, add more to your item to the item, then you can pay more. This is is a part of we can do by using the science also. Okay, EDA. You want to explore the data. Okay, you don't know what to do with the data, so you have to start by EDA. Is a part of data science also. Okay, especially this one is originally from the statistic department, but in data science we need to do this one also to make sure that our data is good enough to do next level for predictive or analytic and so on. Okay, face recognition and so on, we can do it by using the science part also, even it's a part of machine learning and AI, but it's sharing knowledge, as I say. Okay, are you still okay, guys? I will go by quick, okay, because it's just introduce you, okay, to make you familiar with data science. Okay, I know that you know better than me. I hope so. Okay. Okay, can I have your hand? Okay, can I have your hand? Where is your hand? Okay, just hit like.
Hello, students. Hello, students.
Okay. Okay, may I continue? Okay, trend and challenge in the data science, including AI and machine learning. Okay. Can we, if we search about trend in the comparison between computer science, data science, and information technology in whole world, okay, worldwide from 2004 to current, okay, to present, you can see that computer science as the first what we call it general, what we call it famous the science, okay, because it many science from there, including IT and data science, mostly from there. Okay, also, but if you see the red one is data science, you see the emerging and the trend that what we call always increasing interesting. Okay, this is the thing that I'm very interesting. Okay, but for IT, if you learn IT, you see that the trend is become lower. Okay, day by day. Okay, so compared to data science and computer science. If we search for Thailand, this is for Thailand only. You can replace by Malaysia. Then you can see the trend that what it trend. Okay, for example, in Thailand right now, is data science is the famous, become one of major that people want to study, okay, even they don't know it yet, or they restudy, or they regraduate, but we become main science compared to information technology and computer science, okay, because it's about data. People talk about data right now, okay. How can we use the data to make profit, benefit, and so on, okay. We have the what we call data and analytic trend from Gartner, okay, 2021. Okay, you see that there are many things that become trend of data and AI and machine learning. You can see up, smarter, responsible, scalable AI, and so on. Graph really everything. The rise of augmented consumer, all using the data analytic as core business function as number 7. You see that from number 4, you see that from big to small and wide data. Okay, we are talking about big data. Okay, but big data is maybe another people data. But if we talk about small data, it's our own data in our company. So they try to move through 2020 first. They move from big data to small data, focusing much our data and analyze just only our data only. This is the trend on 2021. On 2018 of strategic technology, you see that 2018 is we talk about AI fundamental. Today, 2024, we are not talking about AI fundamental anymore because we are talking about generative AI. You see that this is different things. I tried to show you that AI fundamental is 2018. Okay, blockchain event driven and digital twin. We are taught on that year. Okay, 2018. Okay. For 2020, okay, we talk about hyper automation. Most of during what we call COVID-19, we are talking about hyper automation. We try to do many things without human. This is a kind of we call hyper automation. We try to do a process that replace people. Okay, that this thing is make people lose their job. Okay, because of hyper automation. Autonomous things, okay, the flying car, self-driving car is starting to become the main research on 2020. Okay, AI security, blockchain practical. 2018, we talk about blockchain technology, blockchain fundamental. In 2020, we talk about practical blockchain. Okay. And 2021, we have Internet of Behavior, distributed cloud, AI engineer. From 2018, we talk about AI fundamental. 2021, we talk about AI engineer. Okay, hyper automation also is this year. They are talk also in the 2021. Okay, in 2022, you see that AI engineer, also generative AI, become the main topic that many companies from the survey of the Gartner. Okay, Gartner, I forgot to say that Gartner is the huge company that they collect a lot of data, big data, and then summarized, become what we call a decision for some report. Okay, you pay money for subscribe them, then you can access the data that what trend going to be for tomorrow and today. Okay. And 2023, okay, this is the latest data that we can access because 2024 it's not released yet. Okay, that's released 2023. That you see that AI tranche risk and security management is the first thing. Okay, for this year, you can see that many about cybersecurity become issue right now, especially AI risk, trust and risk, because they are trying to use AI to attack the system because. As we know that this the smarter using AI code is than just only conditional code. So this is become risk, one of the risk that may, what we call fear us that our system may broke by what we call attacked by AI. Okay. Number 2, continued threat exposed management because of security. Threat become the what we call issue right now. Okay, and another topic you can see that we have platform engineering, intelligent application. Before we talk about AI engineer. Right now we we start from AI fundamental, AI engineering, and today, 2023, we talk about platform engineering and intelligent applications such as ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on. Okay, this is a kind of intelligent application that it can answer what we call a general question for us. Whatever we ask, they can answer. Okay, not in specific what we call some question. If that question is answered by human already, so AI can answer it for you. Okay, except a question that never done research by human or some ambiguous question, the AI cannot answer it. Okay. Okay, I would like to present you hype cycle. Okay, hype cycle is the collection of technology. Okay, all technology become to as the what we call that when it appear, when it pass, when it is not available anymore. Okay, what going on if they pass within 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years. This is, you can read this one. You can see the trend and what will going to be what we call technology in the future. Okay, you see that at the first swim lane. Okay, you see that at the first lane you can see that there is this emerging technology in this era, in this field. For example, this is hype cycle for data science and machine learning 2020, first released by Gartner. You see that there are many technology at the beginning, but at the end, there's only a few technology that alive. Okay, it mean what? If you want to read this one, you can see that there are many technology emerging. Okay, emerging technology, but there are a few technology that alive at the end. Okay, so if you want to select to study something, if you want to learn something, so go and select that something that more stable or sustainable technology. For example, predictive analytic, text analytic, in-DB analytic, and so on, and MLOps, deep learning, augmented DSML, and so on. This is a kind of stable technology. Okay. Otherwise, you just select a new thing that just appear or emerging. You may learn today, but tomorrow it becomes something not useful anymore. Okay. For hype cycle of artificial intelligence, you see that there are many technology innovation trigger. We call innovation trigger. There are AI trims, AI, and so on. You can read over there. There are a lot. I wanna read it. I don't want to read it because you can read. You can search by word by word. Okay, because it's a lot. Okay, but you see that through this illusionment. Okay, you can see the chatbot, computer vision, semantic search, autonomous vehicle. This is the technology that will continue developing, and then we continue to become our daily life product. Okay, we continue developing, and then we become our daily life product. For example, autonomous vehicle. Okay, autonomous vehicle, computer vision that used to detect object, and chatbot. Right now, in 2021. Okay. Today, 2024, okay, we chatbot. On that time, we talk about generative AI, we talk about ChatGPT. Today, we use it, okay? Today, we use it. That's why you can read this cycle, so it can help you to predict for future technology, okay? We are not depend on news, but we depend on report that summarized by huge of data that released by Gartner, okay? And we can continue hype of 2023. Okay, you can see that computer vision, data labeling, automation, and intelligent application. You see that as ChatGPT and Gemini and so on, Canvas and so on. This is a kind of intelligent application that invented, or application that try to apply some AI inside, or including data science inside. This is a kind we call intelligent application. Okay, that try to make many things automatically. Okay, if you want to remove background and so on, if you want to make slides that you just click one click, this is intelligent
แต่ตอน
application.
ลิงก์นำเสนอก็สอนให้กับนักศึกษาUniversity
Yes, Jamaloni, yes, you wanna join? Okay.
สลามอ
Okay.
ประเทศไหน
Right. So,
Okay, may I continue?
Yes.
Okay, if you have question, you can ready your question. We have a part of section of question and answer. Okay. Okay. For the last what we call hype cycle is this we call emerging technology that include all part. Okay, you see this one because we have generative AI that become one of the most what we call technology, but we're not sure that this technology will be continue or not in future. It's just peak of inflated expectation. Okay, that's why we can we say that this technology is unstable yet. Okay, we doubt that we are using such a ChatGPT right now is unstable yet. We don't know that who will be winner. Okay, who will be winner of the technology. Okay, we have cloud native. We are using cloud as our daily life, but right now cloud native mean that everything will be over there. Okay, we will store our data based on cloud. We were using application based on cloud as many apps that we are using right now is based on cloud. Okay, we are not download application to install in our computer anymore. Okay, we are using an app via web browser. This is become cloud native. Okay, so AI augmented it's not just only augmented what we call just what we call reality augmented that we just draw by ourselves, but not just general code, but we have to embed it AI to the reality augmented and so on. This is a part, is one of emerging technology. And then also because of we need a lot of coding, developing software. So software engineering is a part, is one of emerging technology. It's circle, we start again to become famous. Okay, so you want to learn through this technology. Okay, the second part, the third and the fourth. Okay, and the last one. Okay, we become, if you select the first row, mean that it unstable. Okay, unstable. It may famous today, but tomorrow will be not useful anymore. Okay, this is that how to use this what we call a hypercircle of this diagram. Okay, if you want to become the data science, I would like to suggest you to use I would like to present you a data science tool. Okay, from the data scientist interview, because you want to select any tool, any technology, or any field that you want to study. I myself actually I rely on survey or some what we call trend, that touchable trend. For example, here is the interview of the interview report from JFN, okay, 2021. They say that their team interview more than 10,000 data science, that people who related to data science. It can be data engineer, it can be related to data scientist, it can be what we call AI, ML engineer, and so on. They, from the three company, from big company, we call FANG, okay, Amazon, Google, and Facebook. You can see that most of they say that they have to learn first algorithm, probabilities, machine learning, statistics, and A/B testing. For that case, what they try to do, SQL, Python, and the project they work is take home or not, they're available to take home or not. This is the thing that you want to become a good data scientist, that you have to be master. And for each company, they have the strong point of what they try to learn much. For example, Facebook, they focus about machine learning. Because of that year, 2021, the Facebook tried to develop LaLama, okay, LaLama machine learning for the LLM model. So this is will become the machine learning the most famous for the Facebook, Google, and Amazon also. Okay, this is the thing that I try to say, that you want to select any tool, you want to learn some things, okay, use statistic or use a survey or report, that you can select what tool that suitable to learn. Okay, instead of you select by yourself. It may learn today. It may not available to get job. For example, this one. Okay, if we look at the machine learning AI and data science landscape tool nowadays, we have 100 and 1,000 tools that are available. So it's huge. Okay, that's why you need some guru or some your lecturer to guide you what tool that is suitable for a job or for a specific job. Okay, for me, I like to select to use open source way. Okay, for example, this is the open source tool that you can use for data science. Okay, there are many. Okay, you look at here, we have stack tool or language, we have infrastructure, and we have machine learning and AI tools here. So you can use any based on your purpose, but you contact your lecturer, your what we call your mentor, so it can guide you which one is the best for your project. This will be nice for you to select. Okay, I would like to end our section by this figure. Okay, I would like to end this section by this figure. Okay, we call path to automation of human labor. Okay, the question is, they say that when will AI exceed human performance? Okay, when AI will replace and what we call when AI try to take all our job. Okay, you see this one, we are at 2024 right now. You see that translation, telephone, banking, operating system, operator that receive and then call for people, they are replaced by AI. Many already, especially translator, telephone and banking. You see that banking system, they try to reduce people and then they try to replace by system. This is, you can say that too. They say, according to this research by Oxford and Yale University, they say that all human jobs will be replaced by people in 2139. Okay, I think that is more faster than this. Okay, you see this one, because today we got generative AI that can do anything. It can draw a picture. It can what we call. It can draw a picture, write a song, and so on. Right, so. These things, okay, that automation that will be replace human or AI will be replace human will be soon than this year they expected. Okay, this is our last presentation. This is my last presentation. Okay, question and answer.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Khaled. It's been interesting topic, and we can see a lot of things over there. So yeah, guys, would you like to ask any question?
Yes, I have a questions. What are the biggest challenges in applying new data science technique to legacy system?
Excuse me, please.
Okay. My name is Lukman Al-Hakim. I have a few questions for data science. For the first one, what is the biggest challenges in applying new data science techniques to legacy systems?
Okay, the first is for legacy system that want to apply data science is make data ready. Okay, because you look at the report or statistic, they say that 80 to 90% of our time spending for manipulating data or cleaning data. Okay, so we have to ready the legacy system. We have to make the legacy system, right? So we have to prepare the data, make it ready to train to the AI, and then to become an intelligent application. Okay. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hope that answered your question. Okay.
Nice question, Luqman. Is there any other question?
Yes, the next question is, what is the impact of data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA on data science?
As I know that the data privacy right now, because different country, they have different rules, okay? They have regulation. So as I'm not sure in Malaysia, but Thailand, even we have rules, but we are not using we rule just only in paper, but in reality, you know that AI learn almost everything about us, that our data is available online, including social media and website, and including our smartphone, okay? Everything is sharing. So right now we can say that we have no privacy anymore. This is true thing that we have to accept. And that if you want to make the thing is safe, one thing only is it should not be digital, okay?
So different country is different privacy regulation.
Yes, still right now we have the global privacy, but because if we know that even we have global privacy or rules, but many countries do not follow it. They have their own rules, okay? So for example, if you use one smartphone from China, okay? From China, they last time from may I say here from Xiaomi, they write a new regulation that your data available to use for proof the AI application. You have to say yes only, okay? You cannot say no. Otherwise, you say no, you cannot use a smartphone, okay? So mean that you try to give them the data, okay, your personal data, okay, based on what kind of data they want to take from you, okay? Your location, your contact, I can say that it's everything they want to have, okay? But different another smartphone for Samsung, they have their own what we call privacy, okay? They have the agreement, but they may follow or not follow. I cannot say that, okay?
Okay, all right, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Rahman, for asking. Yeah.
Can I ask? Yes. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shaz. And okay, I want to ask about semantic search, because I want to know what is the difference between semantic search with Google search, because as far as I understand, for Google search, they use text or keyword search, right? So for semantic search, what is it? What is a semantic search? Because I somehow cannot grasp the concept of semantic search between the Google search. So can you enlighten me?
Okay, this is about text analytics. This is my expert way, okay, to do that.
Yes.
Okay, we have syntax and semantic, okay? Syntax mean that we understand just only one word only, okay? We understand one word with another word, okay? For example, today is Tuesday. We done already there, okay? But semantic, we understand the meaning of that, okay? We connect with another data. For example, today is Tuesday, no raining in Thailand, okay? Good people or whatever. This is a kind of semantic. Mean that they try to understand the feeling and meaning inside the sentence. This is we call semantic. Google search, they are using both. First, they have to do synthetic. They had to cut the sentence to be a word that we call tokenize, okay? And then they try to use the corpus to understand the sentence. And then from the corpus, they implement some, they try to apply some what we call semantic way to understand what this sentence is about, and then plus the emotional inside this paragraph and this sentence. Yeah, this we call semantic, okay? I can say that Google do both, okay, things.
Okay, thank you. I understand.
Thank you. Welcome.
MashaAllah, we have very, how to say, talented students who have a lot of questions. I really love that. We might open the floor for one last question, if there is any question.
Yeah, you are welcome. Okay.
Okay, so if there is no question, I think that's the end for today's lecture. But dear Dr. Sazana, if you would like to add anything from your side, please.
Thank you to speaker Mr. Khaled Langsari. Okay, thank you to Mr. Khaled Langsari to the interesting topic. Also to the moderator, Mr. Anas Mohammad Abdalrahman Tawalbeh. Where are you from, Doctor?
I'm from Jordan.
Sorry?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Yes.
Yes.
You can call me Anas. So the rest is a very long name.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the interesting knowledge sharing topic for today. We have another one day, I think, tomorrow for the last sharing from UIS. So see you all tomorrow, students, and thank you again.
Thank you so much. Jazakumullah khairan and have a good day.
Okay. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam. I miss FTU.
I saw the t-shirt just now. Nice one.
Yes, they all miss FTU. One of them
Welcome. I will welcome you.
one of them actually nak cari jodoh. Dekat sana boleh doktor.
I think they want. I thought that they want to see me. Okay, dia jadi jodoh. Okay.
Okay, please. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum.